component which has been shown, wherein we have 140 mm by 120 mm rectangle to a depth of about 10 mm. So there will be a triangle contour machining. On all the sides you are going to have 10 mm this and 20 mm starting point. And then there is a diameter of 25 mm drill, and there is a diameter of 10 mm drill at 3 places and diameter 25 at 1 place. So to do that, so first we're going to create the component now. To do that, first go to line, take the center point, and I will draw a horizontal line, and similarly from here I will draw a vertical line, then go to X form and go to offsets. So now from the center it is 70 on either side, so go to 70 mm, that because 140, so from this side it is 70 and also from this side it is 70. Then we're going to fit this. Then on this side is 120, so we will going to have offset. So take the offset distance as 60. So from here 60 and also from here it is 60. Then go to fit it and then click. Then go to extend this line till here, 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 extend this line till here. Now we have the extend this line till here, extend this line till here. Now from here we have the offset distance which is of 20 on one side. So go to X form, go to offset, take the distance as 20 on this side. Then we have 10 mm on this side, so go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from here it is 10. Okay. So now, so from here it is 100. So go to X form, offset, take the distance as 100. So from here you take the distance as 100. Then there is 10 mm offset from this side, and which is exactly at the center point, which is at 70 mm. So the center point line is already here. So go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from here you take 10 and then go to line command, draw a line from intersection to this end point, and then from here to here. Then go to trim this line till here, trim this line till here. Then you delete this line and this line entirely. Then we want to have the center point which is diameter of 25. So go to circle, take this end point and diameter is 25, you create that circle. Then 45 by 35, so you go to X form, offset, take the distance as 45. From here you take offset and then 35 mm from here. So go to offset, take the distance as 35 from this direction and also 95. So again offset, so you take 95 from here. Then we have 70 by 90. So 90 mm from here. So 70 is already there. So we take 90 from here. So 90 from here. So then draw a circle of diameter 10 at 3 places. So go to circle, take this intersection point, diameter is 10. Then again you take this diameter as 10 and again take this diameter as 10 now. So once you do this, now we have completed all the profile. Then we go to erase this line, this and this. So again you erase this line Once you do this, now we will go for the machining. So to do that, so click on tool paths, click on 2D high speed, enter right click on the dialog box, click on chain, click on outside, select contour, click on 140 mm horizontal line entity, so that is this line, and select contour 2, click on 100 mm horizontal line, that is this one. Since it is outside machining, so it will going to take the outside machining. Both the arrows, click on right tick to clear the dialog box. Dynamic contour dialog, select on dynamic core mill, click on linking parameters, click on enter the depth value as -5, click on tool, click on select library tool, so click on select 5 mm bull and mill, so number 120, so now it is number 120, click on OK, click on right tick to clear the dialog box. So now this machining will going to take place. So once you do that, then we will go for click on tool paths, click on drill, select the points, select on 10 mm drill, so you click on this, you click on this, and you click on this 10 mm drill, click on right tick, then 2D toolpath dialog box will appear, click on tool, then click on select library tool, tool selection of tell diameter 110, so you click on this, click on right tick to clear the dialog box, click on linking parameters, enter the depth value as -15, then click on right tick to clear the dialog box, so the drilling operation takes place. Then again click on tool paths, click on drill, select the drill position as the center point of this, okay, then again click on drill, click on tool, select library tool, drill number 260, now we go for 260, so that is 25 mm drill, so click on OK, click on linking parameters, enter the depth value as -20, then click on right tick, so that hole will going to be drilled. Now we need to go for the positions, so I will keep the position here, then go to isometric, so go to G codes, okay, so I will go for 7, accept, so we are going to get the completion of the M&G codes. So this is the generation of M&G codes, which has got 35,605 lines. Then we go for selected machining operation simulation. So now we will going to click on the machining, so the simulation will going to take place of since we are given only 5 mm depth, so till to the 5 mm depth the machining will be done on the outer profile. Since you have selected the outside, so now the machining is taking place on the outside. Then we are going to have the triangular shape. So now the triangular portion machining is been taking place now. So now the one side of the triangular profile has been machined. Now we will go for the second operation now. Then we will going to have a 10 mm drill at 3 places and 25 mm drill at the last one. So this is how the machining can be done. The simulation of the actual component can